Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender 5.1 how to flip object. So as example I will add new mesh objects monkey and use move tools to move the object. Now if you want to flip these objects, you can right click, go to mirror, and then you can use the local here. Like I will use the Y, so to be flipped to the Y. Right click again, mirror, and then use Y to flip the object. So you can right click, and I will choose the local. Right click again to choose the local to back to default. Okay, that's it for basic Blender 5.1 how to flip object.